Hi there, Tony Maynard from diehartedforeducation.com, and I'm on a video with Kevin Fahey where he runs through the training on email marketing on fire.
But in total, in the main training itself, it's basically top quality email marketing training that I'm using. It's up to date. It's only been created last month. It shows you how I'm getting crazy open rates, up to 3,000 opens per email, up to 50% open rate, absolutely everything. But basically, I'm doing it for students to actually get the most about it. So it's setting up the autoresponder correct from the start, ensuring your emails are inbox and highest converting subject lines, which obviously includes a spreadsheet. We've got a case study of how I'm able to generate thousands from email marketing. Split testing hack to double or open your triple rates, and using automation in your business to crush it daily. There's around 90 minutes of training here, and on top of that, we are giving them everything they need to really provide value with email marketing, to give them all the information they need and to give them the tools, the reports, and the resources. So I've added 3 really relevant bonuses. We've got our email marketing on power PDF report. We're going to give them private label rights to that, giveaway pages, squeeze pages, landing pages, everything as a bonus. We're going to give them 18 email marketing checklists, which basically will have massive value for learning, but they also get private label rights so they can give them away. And Email Marketing Pro, which is over 1,000 email templates they can use in their business. So we've got around $100 in real value bonuses there as well included in this, and I actually will be adding more and more bonuses. So the product is outstanding. We've got a lot of feedback. We've got a lot of testimonials. We've got a lot of cash prizes. We've got high commission. We've got everything.
So there you are. He's got everything, as he says, in this course. So click the button below to find out more about this, about email marketing on fire.